Sorry about that. My OBS went crazy. My OBS went crazy. The 5 minutes wild. I thought we were about to blast off here, but it created a super strong bull bar, a super strong bear bar, big up, big down. Absolute wild. I thought we were gonna blast off here, but we took the small hit. We took a small hit here. Same thing down here. Same setup up here as down here. I don't know if I want it on the downside though. It does trigger. Yep, fails. Woo-hoo-hoo. This market's wild. Big up, big down, big up. Let's see if we get something here. Micro double bottom. Do I just try out the micro double bottom? I usually wait for my setup here. There it is. Big up, big down. Another big push down here. I'll try. Maybe need another leg down here. Yeah, it's bad signal bar. Bad signal bar here. Too hard to tell. Like, we're in the middle of a triangle essentially right now. Really hard to tell what's going to happen here. We're basically right in the middle of the 20 EMAs. We're just on the 20 EMA on almost every time frame. I thought I was gonna blast off here. Like, we're so close to like hitting that resistance. I thought we are gonna just blast through it. Look at the 5 minute first candle. Like, if I said, does this look bearish or bullish with this candle, I would say pretty bullish, going straight to breaking out. But look to the left of the chart. I guess it just shows that we're still in a big trading range. It's a trap trade here, but again, very hard to tell what's gonna happen in this triangle currently. We're gonna take it slow. I thought I was gonna blast off, so I went heavy. I went heavy. I thought I was gonna blast off, so I went heavy. We're gonna just take it slow. Go back to one contract here. One contract. Let's see what happens. Like three dojis. Pandas. Remember, there's news tomorrow and no news today. So I really like anything can happen. It could just be choppy today. Chop around all day today. I wouldn't be surprised. Panda, sorry, my OBS crashed. I had to restart the stream. And it's a shame because you can't join, you can't like reconnect to the stream. You have to like, unfortunately, start a brand new stream. So we're gonna lose the momentum on the other stream. Drop those GMs in the chat. Luis, good morning. It's gonna help other people find the stream, right? For those who couldn't find it, or for those who are in the other stream and got disconnected. Big pop, decent pop up, but again, just hard to tell when you got 4 overlapping bars with a lot of dojis, right? Just right next to the 20 EMA like this. 2500 tick chart basically on the 20 EMA. 5 minute also in and out of 20 EMA. Like, really sit on pause moment. It's really sit on the pause. Sit on your pause. Price action currently. Luis, Rohan, Kevin Mac, I appreciate it. Critter says, "Oh no, missed your trade. What went wrong?" Basically had a trap trade here with a decent signal bar, and we were close to Big Mama here, and I thought we were gonna trigger. The 5 minute candle also, the very first one was this huge bull bar. I thought we'd have some follow through, but no follow through was had, and it just reversed. So I mean, I just took a small loss, but I went heavy because it was like in a explosive area. It was like a breakout area. But I think after seeing the first three candles on the 5 minute chart, I know the character of today is probably gonna be a choppy day again. Probably be a choppy day until tomorrow. Tomorrow will probably be the day we finally get out of this chop. We have CPI numbers, and that probably will help move the markets. But right now, absolute just doo doo caca. Right, big up, big down currently. Critter says, at least in Sweden. Welcome from Sweden. I've never been there. I really do want to go. I think Sweden, Switzerland, same thing, right? I'm kidding. But I really want to go to both of those countries. But Sweden, goodness gracious. I can't imagine. I always just like see pictures of Sweden, just how nice it looks. How nice the people are. We got the OI pattern, the 5 minute chart. We can make a play here. We could try. I'm a lot more lax right now with my TPT accounts. I'm chilling with my TPT accounts here. It's an OI pattern here. Smaller time frame, it looks honestly sus. Let's see if we can get a little momentum here, going one way or the other. Just waiting. Waiting for something to happen. Okay, we're gonna trade. Just an OI pattern on the 5 minute chart. The issue with this trade really is that we're basically going sideways for a long time, so the OI patterns aren't as reliable. They're a little more reliable when you have a direction. But it's the only setup I have right now, so I'm gonna take it. We'll take another trade if we break this high, thinking we're trigger Big Mama. And then we'll take two more contracts if we break Big Mama. Strong bull bar looks good to me. Any near its high. We can go a little heavier. Let's try. In this trade, so you can get another trade here. Let the trigger Big Mama here. Big Mama triggered. Hopefully it doesn't snap down, but we'll see. The 5 minute 1-to-1. Let's look for that 1-to-1 target. The 1-to-1 target is right here. We'll get it first there. Second runner will go up to here on the 1-to-2. And then we'll see how high it goes. I would hate to have to hold the whole risk here, but I don't know. I may have to on the 1-to-1. It does trigger Big Mama. I would like this to blast off. But let's let the 5 minute candle finish here. Hopefully it gives us something good. It looks like maybe the trading range will continue. I mean, I may bust these accounts right now. Who knows? Yeah, it's a big push down. May just have to hold. It's such a strong balance off the previous day's high. I thought it was boiling. I thought it was really trying to collect a lot of traders to blast off there. But with the OI pattern, the one-to-one being made here, I think that's the first target for the people trading the 5 minute chart. I think they want to get long there, but this looks like it's reversing very hard on us. Unusually hard on us. But we know where we need to take it out, right? We know where we need to have our stop loss, which is underneath this inside bar. And hopefully it can go back up, yeah. Right now the pattern is bull bar, bear bar, bull bar, bear bar, and bull bar. Hopefully. We'll see. I could always come out break even as well. Here. If I have to. My accounts are not updating, I think. Oh, there it is. Okay. Now they're updating. We're down 3K. Hopefully this pushes back up. It looks like we're going to bust these accounts, unfortunately. I took it all on the breakout, hopefully, of yesterday's high, but it didn't give it to me, and looks like we're going to lose these accounts here. TPT accounts, it's a shame, but it is what it is. Yeah. Fortunate trade didn't work out at all. Right, looking for that one-to-one. Don't give it to me. And we started breaking all these resistances. I could have just saw maybe, looking to the left, that this was just not a day for a breakout. Also news tomorrow, unfortunately. So, big. I mean, we just lose these. Basically, like, I trade my TPT counts to either like make or break them, essentially. Right? Because there's no consistency rule. So I might as well just try to make or break them. Unfortunately, yeah, this trade just went against me pretty hard. Like, it just snapped at the previous day's high, which could have been an obvious thing, maybe. Maybe the most obvious trade, but unfortunately, even if you want to trade that, there's no setup to it. Just maybe this bear bar. After this bear bar, I should have gotten out of the trade and taken the hit. That could have been, my, my out for this trade. These three strong bear bars kind of ending near their lows. That could have been, enough evidence for me to reverse. Unfortunately, that's all we have for TPT. Let's see. I can try. I can do one more bullet here. One more bullet for TPT. One more bullet for TPT. Let's see if we can do it. Give me a second, Panis. Sorry, Venus. I think it's gonna be trading range day today. So I'm waiting for my accounts to disable so I can get more accounts on TBT, but they're taking some time to disable. But once they disable, we'll get the new accounts. All right, basically I'm resetting them on the Wow, where are you from? We can see that Critter is he's new. Marcus Vaughn, no update yet. We're just waiting. We're just waiting. We're trading TPT. Right now we're on Sim. I'm waiting for my TPT accounts to activate. Though I don't like anything here. I mean, this is very choppy. Big up, big down, big up, big down. This could be an okay setup because we have big up, big down, big up, big down. Okay. Coming to the bottom of this channel. This is purely a channel play here. Market's absolutely bewildering. Be careful. Be careful, Pandas. Be careful today. Whoops. It could be a very tricky day today. Knowing it's choppy, I might as well just have a wide stop loss and just keep adding on to my trades here. All right, we'll just where we would typically get out, we'll just re-enter here. Yeah, I'm still waiting. TBT. TBT is a little slow today. Where I would typically get out, I'm gonna re-enter because of how choppy it is. Pandas, 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 pandas. Going back up. Hopefully, maybe hitting the top here. Big up, big down, big up, big down, big up. Or big down, we'll see. Quite a strong bounce off of the previous day's high. I don't know, Pandas. I thought we were going to blast off. So I went heavy. I went extra heavy. But maybe the first 3 candles of the day should have told me. I basically just traded off the 5-minute OI pattern, looking for that one-to-one on the OI right here. And not even close. Not even close. And like I said, since the market's going sideways, these OIs are less reliable. Triangles on triangles on triangles. Maybe a good short to take coming out the triangle here. We'll see. We shall see. I'll buy down here again. Decent push down. Mainly want to buy because we're just in this channel right now. And we could be in this channel all day. Truly, all day. You'll be shocked. This is the power of infinite money. I'll show you the power of infinite money. How hard it is to lose money when you have infinite money. I will show you the power of infinite money. And if you have infinite money in the market, how easy it is to make money. I will show you the power of infinite money today. YL dropping? A weirdest question. I'll try to answer it. Do you think Queen Elizabeth was pretty back in her younger days? I have no idea. Let's look. Queen Elizabeth. Which Queen? There's the second. Young. Let's see.
2,500 tick trap.
Definitely no. Like 1,000% no. She's not. She is nope. She's like a 3 out of 10. She is not pretty. I don't even know why you asked that. At least she's not. Let's just rephrase that. She's not my type. She's not my type by a long shot. I mean, you gotta at least be. You find someone at least somewhat attractive to ask that question. All right, Trader, I'm tired of this. Hurry up. Hurry up. Update for me, please. Please update for me, please. It's taking forever for a Trader to update. I mean, it's okay because there's nothing to see here. I'm just gonna show you the secret behind trading.
5-minute trap.
Look at this nonsense. Be careful today, pandas. Be very careful today when you trade. Big push up, big push down. I mean, the character today has been decided. Big up, big down, big up, big down. Just trading range. Look at the 5-minute chart. Again, another doo-doo caca day. When you have 5 or 6 overlapping bars in a row, the first 5 or 6, it's doo-doo caca. That's what we're facing today. So we're not really missing much. Honestly, I would stay away from this market if I could. If I could just help it. But I'm trying to show you something. How easy it is to make money when you have infinite money in the market.
Target filled.
Okay, we're all 536. Very cool. Like, it's annoying because look at the 5-minute. The OI pattern fails because we break beneath this. We break beneath the inside bar. So like on another time frame, really, this is like this is 1 bar, this is 1 bar, this is 1 bar. Like on the 10-minute chart, it's just basically 3 completely overlapping bars in a row. It's just be prepared for today, pandas. Like, it's gonna be a choppy day. When your 5-minute chart looks like this, like, it's just more of the same that has been. Like, yesterday was a good day of trading, at least in the beginning part, and then it got very choppy. Like, not how I like to trade. But the beginning was nice, right? Two big legs up, just trending right off the bat. When your market looks like this in the first 6, 7 bars, it's trash. Again here, pretty much trash. Trash here again, right? This is the 5 minute chart. Trash, pretty trashy. Pretty trashy. Trash again here. Right? I'm looking just at the open. Right? Absolute trash. This is the mega trash right here. So just be careful, pandas. When you get that big down, big up, or big up, big down moves, just get ready for trash. Right? Big up, big down, trash. Big up, big down, trash. Big down, big up, pretty much trash. The second half of the day was nice because we knew we were going to have trash, so we took advantage of it. Big up, big down, trash. Here, it's nice move up, and then turn to trash anyways. Right here, just trash right off the bat. Right, big up, big down, first 2 bars, trash. That's just what the nature of the market is. It has been last couple of days, last couple of weeks actually. Marcus Vaughn says, how does TPT work, Panda? They give discounts? Yes, if you look in the bottom of the screen, you can see that use code BBM, 30% off TPT, no activation fees, a current promo. You need to trade 5 days for the eval, to pass the eval. But once you get to the PA counts, it's like there is no consistency where you can withdraw in one single day. You go max contracts first trade and just try to swing for the fences, and you can make some serious bamboo. I've made over $100,000 on TPT this year alone, just because I'm able to just continually withdraw every single day and go and be super aggressive. Still waiting. My counts are not disabling. I'm stuck in no man's land right now, but no matter. It's not like the price action's nice to trade at the moment, so I don't mind waiting here, but unfortunately, the content's not going to be as nice.
2,500 tick trap.
Yeah, man, pandas, just be careful today. It's not gonna be a good day of trading. I'll tell you that right now. Simply not gonna be a good day of trading. Just be careful. Well, I still can't log into Apex. It's so interesting. I'm logged in Apex just fine. No issues with Apex. I'm just waiting for Apex to approve my payout. That's the current status with Apex right now. Pen. We're gonna jump to TPT. We got a couple of TPT accounts. We'll trade them. We'll go ahead. I just don't know. I just don't know. I just don't know. Like, I want to time this perfectly. It's building up some pressure here for sure. It's building up some sort of pressure here for sure. Maybe we can try. Maybe we can try this, but it's a long shot in my opinion. It's really a long shot. I just don't know today's a day. I think today's the day you just gotta scalp. Gotta get in and out of trades today. We'll be agile today. We'll truly be agile. Fenders! Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, we're still waiting. We're absolutely still waiting for Apex to respond. We're waiting for an update on the payouts. We're waiting for $55,000 in payouts here. And pretty much every single trade streamed live for you guys. Joe Martin says, thank you so much for your videos. I suck less because of you. I love it. It's not that he says he's good. He just sucks less. It's
2,500 tick trap.
That's what this whole channel is for. It's just so you can suck a little bit less. And for me, that's enough. Welcome to my channel where you can suck a little less than you already do. Pandas, like, what are you going to do when you see this price action? Absolutely nothing. Just hanging out here.
5-minute trap.
Maybe this is building up for something. I feel like it might be. 2500 tick chart, you can see that it's like doing this like very slow grindy channel thing. To be honest, this is actually a bearish sign. When you get a like ascending anything, ascending wedge, ascending triangle, ascending channel, if you get ascending anything, usually it's ready for a breakout to the downside. It's higher chance to break out to the downside than to the upside. Let's see here. We are waiting. I was the 99% trader before, now I'm the 90%. I don't get it, Gab. I don't get it, but I think I get it. It depends on your perspective. Are you trying to read it in a positive way or a negative way? Are we building up pressure for something here, Pandas? What's going on? I mean, just... Should I? Just do like the obvious thing, which is to buy here. Back to the top of the trading range. Like, should I just do the obvious thing here? Let's see. I got you. I got you. The most obvious thing you can do. On this channel, maybe just buy off the bottom of this channel, maybe. I'll go long here back into our channel. Sure, why not? It's a small risk trade. It's the only trade that's made sense so far, I think, if we can get it. Don't want to trigger too early, because then this is your signal bar. You want this signal bar to develop, and you enter with a nice signal bar here. You don't want this to be your signal bar. But that might be what is going to happen. Yeah, beggars can't be choosers. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come back into our trading range. Let's see if anything happens here.
2,500 tick trap.
Absolute trash, though. This is a scenario I actually would buy here. I'm going to scale in if we break here. Feels like entry long. Potentially top of a trading range feels like entry long. It's just a second entry long in a trading range, and I'm hoping to hit the top of the trading range. That's about it. That's my premise right now. That's all I have. That's all I have right now.
5-minute trap.
And I'm just trying to scalp. Ralph Grun's flexing. It's like, sorry I'm late. Just had to quickly pass the eval. Don't mind me. Congratulations if you did. Gab says, I was constantly unprofitable. Now I'm inconsistently unprofitable. It should be now I'm inconsistently profitable. That'd be better. Thank you, but to be honest, I got 1,500s in payout coming in. It's my 6th payout in 2 months. Congratulations. That's amazing. That's better than me. I can't apparently get my payouts. I can get to payouts, but I can't actually get them. I'm getting denied. Congratulations. It's just a super slow, choppy day. I don't expect much from days like today. But maybe we can get a small scalp here. Who knows? Getting to Scalp City. Can we get to Scalp Town? Please, Scalp Town. Feels like entering long doesn't mean much to me, whatever. I'm just gonna go long below every pivot. In this scenario, feels like entering long doesn't mean much, to be honest, but who knows? It can move. This feels like entering long. Big push down. Let's see if it means anything.
2500 tick trap.
Whatever. I could truly care less what happens here. I could honestly care less what happens here. Truly care less. I don't understand. Why aren't you copying? Oh, I see.
5-minute trap.
In that case, I really don't care. Let's get the first target, please. First target, please. It's top of the trading range. That's all that is. Maybe not. Maybe we won't even hit the top of the trading range. That's just the kind of day we're going to get. Unfortunately. Shoot for the stars, pandas. Shoot for the stars. I don't know.
Target filled.
Okay. Got a runner now. How high can you fly? How high can you fly? This is a TPT account. This is a TPT account. Let's see if we can get there. Ooh, I'll try again. I will absolutely try again here. I'll try with 6. I'll try with 6 here. Break Big Mama once again. Let's see what happens. If we break Big Mama once again, let's see what happens here. Looks like we're not gonna be able to break Big Mama. We shall see. Runner's not gonna go anywhere. Do I want this runner to run? I mean, it doesn't make sense. I'll just take the hit. Okay. Fair enough. Bye-bye. So annoying. Actually, so annoying. Crazy annoying. All right, up 805. I'll take it. Absolute terrible day. Up 805. I'll take it. Ugh. It's just not a day that you can trade. Look at this. Look at the 5-minute chart. Like, really, all you need to look is a 5-minute chart to see the quality of the day today. The day of, the quality of the day. And this is what we're dealing with. Absolute diarrhea. So, good luck. Good luck, good luck, good luck to those who are trading this. Good luck. Higher or low here. Still in this trading range. Could come back to the bottom of trading range. Makes the most sense to me, actually. Come back to the bottom. Jeez, taking forever. Absolute trash, pandas. I mean, it's unfortunate that you're having to deal with this day after day after day. Coming back to the bottom of the trading range. Whoopie do. I mean, seriously, whoopie do. So ridiculous. Give me a second here. All right, pandas. Here we are. I could try here. Why not? It's just coming off our trading range, bottom range, and also our trend line here. It is what it is. Small risk, small reward. It's just, this is a whatever trade for me. Feels like you're long. I doubt it's gonna be a big push down, but I'm just gonna get out if we, break the low of this candle. I'm out. I mean, I could try to reverse, but I really just don't think anything's gonna come out of it. I just don't think anything's coming out. We risked, how many points was that risk? Unfortunately, we had some slippage, but less. That was an 8-point risk trade. I mean, come on, pandas, come on. Seriously, seriously. What are we doing here, pandas? What are we doing here right now? Like I said, I don't know if I would like necessarily take the reversal on this. I don't know how far down it's gonna go, but yeah, I mean, look, it takes you out, just bounces back up. It's gonna be a scratch day today. Not scratch. I mean, we're up 645, but absolute trash.
2,500 tick trap.
It's absolute trash today. Look what we're dealing with here. You know, bottom trading range coming off our trend line. I thought we had a nice reason to go long. Underneath the 20 MA, maybe the main reason not to go in. But look, we've been in and out of the 20 MA, so it doesn't mean much to me at this point. But are we low historical? All right, let's try. Maybe something's different. This is, again, another trash day. Panda's like, tomorrow's big news. Market's waiting probably for it. And until then, we probably have more or less the same. So just be careful out there. Seriously. Reloading historical. Let's see here. It looks similar when I reload historical. I don't know. Sometimes when I reload historical, it doesn't change much. But this looks similar, I think. I don't know though.
2,500
I don't remember
tick
how it looked
trap.
like over here. It pushes back up. So it's basically tick shots me, it goes back up. It's all good. I don't really care. It was like a 8-point risk. Roger Sam says, hope Apex approves your payout. Appreciate it. Me too. Me too. Sorry, pandas. I mean, what can you do? I can't control the markets. I simply can't control the markets. And when the markets give you this, diarrhea begets more diarrhea. So this is what we're seeing. Currently, reversal does trigger here. It could be a good reversal. It could be, but I don't know. I wouldn't bank on anything. Yeah, maybe 2 strong bear bars to the downside. I may just enter in short, but yeah, like the market's waiting for some sort of confirmation. If the bears thought this was good enough, then you would see a very strong move down. But obviously, the bears didn't think this was strong enough, and the bulls didn't think it was strong enough to get out of the trade. Right? If they're going long, they just bought with limit orders here, saying thanks for the discount on the slow grindy uptrend. That's what they're saying right now. That's what they're saying through the price action. But the movements are so small, it's not even worth taking any trades here. Just watching. Let me a failed trap here. I mean, that's not even a surprise. It's almost expected today. Failed trap. I could try to go long, but I don't know. I don't even love this long. I don't really love this long either. I don't love this long either, but what else do we have? Small risk again for failed trap trade. We're just sticking to our trend line and yeah, the 20 EMA and the higher time frames, to be honest. This could be a big, I mean, if this pushes down one more time, maybe it could be a big push down. Right? If we're sticking to this channel here, maybe we started our downtrend. Maybe. But I don't know. It's too hard to tell. I'm going to bank on the fact that we're going to be in the bottom trading range, coming to the top of this trading range still. I'm going to bank on that fact that we're still stuck here. And yeah, we'll see. Clear it underneath the 20 MA, so I don't know. All I know is that my risk is very small. It's not even a 10-point risk, 9-point risk here. Come back to the top of the trading range. That's what I'm hoping for.
2,500 tick
Okay,
trap.
a couple big pushes up here. I could try to ride this. But honestly, I'm just here to scalp. It's a scalping day for me. I'm not gonna like.
Target
All right,
filled.
nice push up here. I can try for 6 here. We can go ahead and try for 6 on a breakout of Big Mama here. We could try, see if anything comes out of this. Again, this is TPT accounts. So we're gonna we're gonna swing for the fences here and see. But no promises. This is a very risky trade. I do not recommend it. I'm only doing this because it's TPT. I'm only doing this because it's TPT. Like, if this was Apex, I would definitely not do this. But TPT accounts, let's go for it. Swing for the fences, see if we get anything here. Big bull bar. Lots of consolidation. Building up more pressure along this this trend line here. We hit it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times essentially. You know, like more or less 6 times has been tested. I guess technically it didn't test here, but close enough. It at a point it did test there, and then we had to keep adjusting as more and more price action developed. Let me try 6 contracts, pandas, thoughts and prayers. Only if we break Big Mama though. Only if we break Big Mama. High or low? Pandas. Are we going to get it here? High or low? Lots of pressure building up here, pandas. Lots of pressure building up. Like, so much pressure building up here. Let's see if we can get something nice here. Looking for Big Mama. Like, to me, what this feels like is like Big Mama triggers, and now we're building up. Right, all the institutions we're going to try to trade this breakout have been essentially accumulating in this chop. Right, every time it goes down, they're buying it, and they're just getting ready to blast us off. That's what I'm suspecting. That's what I'm suspecting, pandas. Let's see if it's true. I may even take the failsafe entry short here to front run the breakout a little bit. Let's see. Most likely, it's either make or break on these accounts right now. Okay, just touches Big Mama here. Just almost triggers me. Almost puts me in that trade. Almost. Not quite there yet. Not quite there yet. I would love if failsafe entry short triggers here, because now it's perfect. Now it's virtually perfect if it does trigger. All right, pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Thoughts and prayers. Let's get it. Let's get it. Gonna front run it a little bit here. I think I have to front run this. $8.55 not bad. Get ready for this. If you think $8.55 is not bad, just wait for this. If you think $8.55 is not bad, just get ready for this. This is torturous. I'm basically doing something because I'm so bored. I don't like that. I don't like this. Starting to curl down a little bit, feels like. Nah, this is not it. This is not the trade, is it? This is certainly not the trade, is it? Feels like I just short, but it is just chopping out of its mind right now. This is not the trade, I'll tell you that much. This is certainly not the trade. There's no indication that this is gonna break out here, huh? Thoughts and prayers. Here we go. I'm glad it didn't trigger yet. It didn't trigger yet, Pandas. Alright, I might just cancel this and just admit this is the dumbest trade of 2025 right here. Yeah, let's cancel. Moving on. You didn't see anything. Nothing was seen here. Moving on. Or even Ron. We can talk about Elizabeth again if you want, or even Rhonda if you're really that bored. I don't have to be bored to talk about Rhonda. I have to be dead to talk about Rhonda. Critter's absolutely wild right now. Just flooding the chat. I appreciate the engagement though. Flooding the chat with like almost nonsense, but I appreciate it. There's some like chat etiquette, you know what I mean? Like if you're like 20 messages in a row, it's kind of some etiquette to be like, all right, maybe I'll just slow down chatting a little bit. Let other people just kind of chime in. Otherwise, you're kind of monopolizing the chat. Pandas, maybe it's just a double top. Double top off the previous day's high. Could be as simple as that. Could be as simple as that. Double top of the chat. The main concern I have with this is the fact that this is not going beneath the 20 MA. The 2500 tick chart is staying in this channel, not going beneath the 20 MA. And when it does this, oftentimes it just grinds for so long. It's just a super grindy market. Well, Panda basically telling you just to stay lurking. Nah, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm just saying is just like, there's some balance in life, you know? Just try to find that nice balance in life. Chat when it's appropriate. You know what I mean, Pandas? Just find that balance, nice balance. Always balance in life. Just find that balance. Pandas, we're still in this trading range. What can I say? I mean, this is absolute trash. I'm about to end it. Nasir says, ES broke it, we might as well. Toeman Panda, I think you're discounting the fact that beauty standards were different during Queen Elizabeth's time. That's true. But I was asked the question, what do I think? What do I think? So, who was that guy that Panda banned a couple years ago? He would always say his trades after the market moved and make stuff up. Richard Harris, the man himself. Pandas, like, to be honest, I'm hanging out here. Not much to do. Higher lows every single time. Hoo-wee! Did we do it, Pandas? One time. Just one time. Did we do it? I just don't think today's a day. I don't think we're going to have any breakouts today. It's just one of those days. Being up 855, I'll take it today. Honestly, it's not too shabby on a very slow day like today. These are TPT accounts, so, you know, we're just getting closer to payouts with these. It'd be nice if I can just get a nice push up. Something of the rather.
5-minute trap.
Like, look at the 5-minute chart. We've literally just done nothing for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 bars at this point. So, you know, if 18 bars of nothing on the 5-minute chart, you know, that's more than, that's like an hour and a half of nothingness. Bro, that's it killing me. I couldn't remember. Richard Harris himself. Oh yeah, he was a staple in the channel, and he just went off the rails, and I couldn't handle it anymore. But hasn't the chat been much healthier after that? You know, after you purge a little bit. Big push down. Big push down. Pandas. Fails like entry long maybe now. So now we got to push beneath the 20 MA, 2500 tick chart. Double top off the previous day's high. We may get a nice push down here. Let's get a fail second entry long and we'll enter. Fail second entry long, Pandas, and I think that's our trade. Or not. It was all a ruse. Nothing happened here. Strong bull bar ending near its high.
2500 tick trap.
Do I even want to go short anymore here? I don't even know. Maybe one contract. It's not worth the full lot here. I don't even know. I'll take 2. Just in case we get a runner. A beautiful runner. A big, beautiful runner. Just in case we get a big, beautiful runner here. Only reason why I'm considering is now that we're beneath this channel. This is the only reason why I'm considering taking this fail second entry long. I actually bought it from here and also here. This fail second entry shorts or fail second entry longs. This one I'm taking because we're actually beneath this trend line now. Big difference between these and this one. In my opinion, there's a big difference. Let's see if we get anything out of it. I feel like the answer is no, but we'll see. Okay. Fair enough. Overshoot to an undershoot. That could be it too. That's it. Just finding symmetry here. I might have got maybe getting a little too excited for a short here. It's such small risk. I try anyways. It's like a really small risk. It's honestly like, can you think of anything smaller than this? I don't think there is such thing. I can think of one thing smaller than this. All right, Pandas, let's try it. Let's run it. Whoopie doo. Whoopie doody doo doo. Decent push down. Can we get more? Can we get more? Come on, can we get more, please? Solid bear bar, ending near its low. We're gonna snap back up. Is the question? The answer is currently not right now. I'll take the scalp here. I'll take the scalp here. I'll take the scalp here. I'll take the scalp here.
Target filled.
Jeez, it's kind of coming back up. We're up 1K. Not too shabby on a day like today. Absolute trash price action. I mean, what did I gain here? I didn't even gain 10 points on this trade, Pandas. That sounds so ridiculous. It's not even 10 points. What am I doing here? Why am I fighting for 8 points? Like, we got the new low. Let's see if it creates a stair pattern here. It didn't right here, but maybe it'll do here. Right, your stair pattern basically looks like this if we can get it. I've seen these snap back up, so that's why I just took my profits here, or whatever. We're up 1,175. Oh, another push down. Could be a decent move down. Okay, there's the breakdown. There's a push. That's the push I wanted. That was a push I wanted. I couldn't get it though. Let me see. Yeah, that's the push. That's the push. That certainly is the push. All right, there's a big difference. See, we got 3 attempts, right? We had 3 attempts of reversal. We had this attempt here, this attempt here. These are all above this channel. But this attempt came after the double top, and now we're beneath the channel, below or beneath the channel. So that's why I decided to attempt it here instead of here. I bought it up, right? You can see my buy here as well. Here I actually went into it. There's a big difference. It was pretty much same setup 3 times in a row, but this one came after the double top and beneath the channel. So big difference, right? Context is big difference there. Big difference. Reading that price action, paid off. Prevented us. We made money actually because we read the price action, and then we took advantage of it. So our edge right now is the price action, reading this bar by bar, reading the context, and that is basically how I'm even up at all today. Right, that's on an absolute trash day when you see this kind of price action. The only way you can go up is really you gotta pay attention, like bar by bar, the details. Critter, so how are you doing overall? I'm doing great. I'm just waiting for Apex to respond. Hello, Apex. Hello. I need Apex to give me that bamboo. And, I didn't trade big here because I feel like there's better days to trade big. Today's not the day to trade big. Today's certainly not the day to trade big. It's just very choppy, very confusing. Okay, we retest this area here. Retesting this area here. We're bouncing out the 240 SMA, as you can see. Right, 240 SMA. Popping up. And another reason why I didn't want to bet big here is because I'm a wuss. I'm kidding. It's because the price action is choppy. So I'm just looking for scalps. I'm not looking for swings today. Right? Our ATR is 8.99 on the 500 tick chart. Our 2500 tick chart ATR is 20, and our 5-minute ATR is 22. Like when your ATR on the 5-minute is 22, usually it's like 40 to 50. But right now the ATR on the 5-minute is 22. That just means that this is just sapped of all volatility. We're just scalping today. We're not looking for anything more than a scalp. We're just scalping today. Today's not a day you swing, really. It's a scalping day. Let's just imagine if the other way around, they would already send it to debt collectors. Absolutely. Of course. Pandas, I think today's price action warrants us to... Oh, wait. I mean, if we test this, if we come up here, we test the Big Mama once again. Third attempt is different than the second attempt, I'll tell you that. Like, I think we're going to break out here. I think we can actually break out here. Wow, let's try, Pandas. Don't mind if I do. Pandas, let's get it here. Let's get it. This time, Big Mama for real. We'll try again. And we either bust our counts here, but no matter what, probably last trade of the day. Probably last day of the trade, or last trade of the day. Last day of the trade. You know what I mean? Third attempt on Big Mama. I think it could be something nice. It could be something nice here. I could walk away with my $1,000 gain. Not too shabby, right? Not too shabby. I could walk away with my $1,000 gain. I could, honestly. And I would be completely happy today, to be honest. Especially on a day like today. I think two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart may convince some bulls to start jumping in here. Right? You can see that we haven't had two strong bull bars. We haven't had it today. But two strong bull bars here could signal for the bulls, hey, right? We double bottomed here at this point, and now we can blast off. It could do that. Let's see. Like, not only will it do that, it will tell the bears saying, uh-oh, right? Those who sold here, the bears that sold here, they see two strong bull bars going the other opposite end, opposite side of them. They're going to be like, uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Don't do that. That's what they're thinking. That's what the bears are thinking. At least that's what I would be thinking if I saw two strong bull bars on the 5-minute chart. I'm absolutely wild thinking we're gonna actually break out today. I'm a lunatic. I'm actually crazy thinking we're gonna break out today, but let's try, Pandas. Let's try. Like, there's nothing that today that warrants us to think that this is gonna break out. Absolutely. In fact, it's the opposite. I should be going short right here. Absolutely should be just going short right here. We're not even getting any follow through on this 2,500 tick bull bar ending on top. No follow through. What am I even trying here? What am I even doing here? Why am I still streaming, Pandas? Why am I not walking away with my $1,000 bamboo? Why am I not walking away with my $1,000 bamboo? Like, why am I even trying here at this point? All right. I mean, if this starts to reverse here, I'm done. I'm done. I'm out. I am done. I'm done for today. Big bear bar. No reason to think this is going to go long. And let's see. Let's see the 5-minute candle here. Lower high. Maybe signal some bears to go short here. Maybe. Only problem is they're not consecutive, right? You got a bear bar. Strong bear bar, in fact. This strong bull bar. Could be a strong bear bar, but with no follow through. No, if it's not in order, right? If it's not continuous, if we don't get two in a row, then that's a big difference, right? When you have this kind of like interruption. Basically, I have no idea what's gonna happen. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, pandas. I think that's enough confusion for me. I don't want to do anything stupid at this point, and I think we'll call it a day. We'll call it a day. Pandas. Hopefully, we'll get an update from Apex sometime today, and I will tell everyone what happens. But pandas, until then, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Same time, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Hope to see you guys there. As always, happy trading up us. Bye.